The 2002 Ford E450 with the 7.3 diesel. In remarkable shape. No rust in these rocker panels. Doors are perfect. Rockers are factory, never been fixed or repaired. It's got 3,123 hours, which is really low for this model year. The interior is really clean. The seats aren't broken down. They're extremely comfortable. Lights and sirens do work. $46,274 miles. Good oil pressure. Full tank of gas. This interior is really clean. Carpet could use a scrubbing. Headliner is in good shape. It's got the full pass-through with a door. This thing is really clean. One of the things you want to look for when you're buying an ambulance is all the gaps in these doors. Make sure all these gaps are even. This ambulance is all even. If they're not even, that would indicate that it's been in an accident, perhaps rolled over, flop on its side. It does not come with the inverter that was taken out. And this passes through to the inside, the top half. Look at this thing, it's clean. I removed all the decals. They're all completely gone, including the roof. It's always been a pet peeve. And you remove the decals from all the sides where you can see and not do the roof. These are backup lights. Slider window. Even the clock works. Look at this. Everything is in great shape, solid. Oh yeah. For some reason, most ambulances I look at, the roof's always caved in, or really dingy. This one's spotless. It's not dented in. Look at that, guys. Amazing. I love this thing.